Hello everyone. Today we are going to do the lecture a little bit different. Instead of we do the lecture in class, so I decided to have this particular lecture on knowledge management system lifecycle through a series of videos. So our topic is knowledge management system lifecycle. The learning outcome for this lecture is that at the end of this lecture, students are able to define what knowledge management system is. So this includes the types of knowledge management systems and also the categories of knowledge management systems. And then student is able to describe potential challenges of developing knowledge management systems. The third learning outcome is that are able to describe the strategy to acquire knowledge management system. This means that you are able to propose whether an organization should buy a KMS, should develop KMS, or should outsource the KMS. And lastly, we would compare and contrast SDLC, System Development Lifecycle, and Knowledge Management System Lifecycle. What I mean by compare and contrast is that you are able to see not only the differences between SDLC and KMSLC, but also the similarities between the two. So this is the presentation outline. Firstly, we're going to talk about knowledge management systems, or KMS, and then we move on to the challenges of building or developing KMS, the strategies to acquire knowledge KMS, and then we will look into the system development lifecycle and also compare that with KM system lifecycle. We will look into the differences between users and also experts, because these two people are the one involved in both of these life cycles. And lastly, the stages of KM system life cycle. So the first topic is about knowledge management systems. So what are knowledge management system? Knowledge management system is defined as applications resulting from the synergy between technologies and KM mechanisms. What I mean by KM mechanisms is basically the KM processes, which are discover, capture, share, and apply. So you take all these mechanisms, and if you inject some technology into it, then it is a knowledge management system. In other words, the technology supports or facilitates these KM processes. According to Alavi and Leitner in 2001, KMS is defined as information systems developed to support and enhance the organizational knowledge processes of knowledge creation, storage, retrieval, transfer, and application. So the definition by Alavi and Leitner is more complete, because it has the processes mentioned or the mechanism.